Hello students, now we will start exercise 8.3. In that, the first question is tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also, find profit percent or loss percent in each case. So here different cases are given. In that, the first one is gardening shear bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. So here gardening shear bought for rupees 250, that means rupees 250 is what? So it is our cost price, because to buy this particular shear it cost us rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. That means sold means what? Selling price. So that is our SP. So to solve this type of example, the first step will be, first here we will write what is the cost price. So here we will write that cost price is equal to, it is given rupees 350, sorry 250. Then selling price is given, sold at rupees 325. So whenever this type of questions are there, the first step you have to do, you have to check whether the selling price is higher than the cost price or lesser than the cost price. So here if we will check that, here we can clearly see that selling price is greater than cost price. So here I will write that selling price is greater than cost price. So that is, whenever selling price is greater than cost price, so as we discussed in introduction video, so there is a case of profit. So here I will write that, so there is a profit. Now our next step will be what? Now first of all we have to find profit. Now we know that it is the case of profit, but here we have to find how much profit and profit percentage. So to find how much profit, so for that what we will do, first here I will write that, as we discussed in introduction, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So here selling price is given how much? Rupees 325 minus cost price is given, which is rupees 250. So when I will subtract 325 minus 250, so I will get rupees 75. So profit is how much? Rupees 75. Here I will write that the profit is rupees 75, but we have to find profit percentage. So for that what we will do, so for that we know the equation as we discussed in introduction, that profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price up multiplied by 100. So here profit percentage, so profit is how much? 75. On which price? Rupees 250, and multiply by 100. So here this 0 will be cancelled. 25 3 is a 75. So 3 times are 10. So 30%. So here we can write at the last that there is a 30% profit. So this is how we have to solve this type of example. To solve this type of example, the only thing we need to understand the method which is there, and we have to follow the simple method or steps, we can say. Now similarly, moving to the next one, the second question is that a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. So as we done in previous sum, our first step will be, first what we will write, a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000. That means this 12,000 is what? It is our cost price. So here I will write that cost price is equal to rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. So that is our selling price, which is rupees 13,500. So what we will do here, first as we done in previous one, we'll check whether this is the case of profit or loss. So here we can see clearly that selling price is higher than cost price. So selling price is higher than cost price. So here we can write that, so there is a profit. Now we know that this is the case of profit, but how much profit they earn, or what is the profit in amount? So for that what we will do here, we can write that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is here how much? rupees 13,500 minus rupees 12,000. So 13,500 minus 12,000 will get 1,500. So rupees 1,500 is the profit. But question not over yet. We have to find profit percentage. So to find profit percentage, equation for that is profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiply by 100. Whatever the answer, that will in percentage. So profit is how much? It is 1,500 upon cost price is there, which is 12,000 multiply by 100. So now these two zeros will be cancelled. This one zero will be cancelled. 12 and 15 both are divisible with 3. So what we will do here? 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, and 0 will be here. Now 2 2s are 4, 25 2s are 50. So 25 upon 2. So answer will be 12.5 percentage. So here how much profit percentage is there? There is 12.5 percentage profit. So very simple and easy sums are this thing, but the only thing you need to keep in your mind is that you need to understand, or you need to remind this equation, that how to find profit loss and how to find profit percentage. If you know this thing, so you can easily solve this sums. Similarly to the next one. Now in the next one, a cupboard bought for rupees 2,500 and sold at rupees 3,500. So we have to check whether this is the case of profit or loss, and we have to find profit or loss percentage. So the first step that we have to do here, that is what? We will write the cost price and selling price. So here bought at rupees 2,500. So that is our cost price, because it costs 2,500 to cost to buy this particular cupboard, and sold at rupees 3,500. Now here first we will check that whether this is the case of profit or loss. So here we can clearly see that selling price is greater than cost price. So here we can write that. So there is a profit. So this is the case of profit. But how much profit? To find that, what we will do here, first we will write that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So for that, selling price is how much? Rupees 3,500 minus cost price is how much? Rupees 2,500. So rupees 3,500 minus 2,500, I will get rupees 1,000. Sorry. So there's a minor correction, that selling price is given, which is 3,000. So I am correcting that. So selling price is 3,000. So 3,000 minus 200. So 2,500, I will get rupees 500. So, and if selling price is 3,500, so you will subtract, so you will get rupees 1,000. So if in exam I can ask you the question like that, so you have to also solve that question. Okay. So now we have to find profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price multiply by 100. So profit is how much? 500. Cost price is 2,500 multiply by 100. So what we will do here? These two zeros will be cancelled. 25 2s are 50, and this 0 I will add. So answer is 20%. So at last we can write that there is 20% profit. So similarly for the last one is that a skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So for that, what we will do here? First of all, to solve this thing, here skirt bought for rupees 250. So that is cost price. So cost price is equal to rupees 250, and selling price. Selling price is what? Selling price is equal to rupees 150. which is given, sold at rupees 150. Now here in this case, when we will check that here we can see that selling price is less than the cost price. So we know that whenever selling price is less than the cost price, so that is the case of loss. So here I can write that this thing to that cost price is greater than selling price. So here I can write that. So there is a loss. Now, but how much has we done in for profit? How much profit there particular is there, amount is there? So here we have to also check that how much amount of loss is there. So for that, loss is equal to, now here we can't do SP minus CP because selling price is less compared to cost price. So here equation will be cost price minus selling price. So cost price is here how much? Rupees 250 minus sold at 150. So 250 minus 150 I will get 100. So there is a loss of rupees 100. We can write that loss of rupees 100. Now we have to find loss percentage. So for that, loss percentage is equal to, here equation will be same but profit will be replaced by loss upon cost price multiplied by 100. Whatever the answer, that will be into percentage. So loss is 100 rupees, cost price is 250 multiplied by 100. So this this zero will be cancelled. So 25 4s are 100. So 4 multiplied by 10, I will get 40%. So at last I can write the statement that there is 40% loss. So this is how you to solve this type of questions. To solve this type of question, you need to just follow the simple method. So here we are completing this thing. If you are having any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.